All right, we are here today with our all-new Revenant amplifier upgrade. This is a 1300 watt plug-and-play DSP-equipped amplifier upgrade for your BMW. Today we're going to be talking about the installation if you have an older E-chassis BMW that this is going into. There's an included bracket that comes with the amplifier, but in some cases that isn't able to be used. So what we've done is included a simple solution for you, which is going to be these two strips of Velcro. Right now we're using the 3M dual lock. I'm not sure that's what we'll always be using, but we've had pretty good results with this. It's sort of interesting rather than the typical two different style of Velcro that you'll see. It's these little kind of plastic guys that interlock with each other. It gives it a really secure fit. We've had good results with it. I had it in my roughly 500 horsepower 135 and put it through its paces without the amp ever releasing, so we feel pretty confident in this solution. As far as the application goes, just on the back of the amp here, just in between these two channels, just on the rear faceplate, we're just going to take the adhesive off, or the covering of the adhesive off, line it up, place it down, apply firm pressure. We'll repeat that one more time. Give it some pressure, and that is ready to go. What we'll do once we're inside the car, and we have some videos covering this, once you get to the amplifier, if you don't have the style bracket that allows us just to bolt right into place, which will be obvious because you'll only get this Velcro if it's needed. You'll apply this before getting in there, and then once removing the factory amp, there will be a flat surface in that place where you're able to go ahead and remove this plastic covering as well, stick it down, give it some firm pressure, it'll be locked in, and then the only other thing you can do while you're on the bench, we have our plug and play harness. Go ahead and in each appropriate plug, make sure that's fully seated, it'll lock into place, and this is ready to install in your BMW.